need to pack really bad.
But before we get into the... Hey, turn it around, they can't hear you. Before we get into the video. Stay there, don't follow me. Look at the little mic on your hand. Okay, is it on? Thank you, Princess Polly, for sponsoring this video and providing me with such amazing clothes for the spring break season. And did you know that Princess Polly ships within the United States
with free standard shipping 3 to 6 days to the US on orders over $50.
Okay, peace.
USD.
Princess Polly also offers AfterPay and ShopPay to all US customers. My code's Madeline20
for 20% off of your order, and this is valid through the first month that I'm posting this. So I posted this March 19th, so you have until April 19th. Okay, so let's see what we got here. This is my Princess Polly package. This is cute. So I got this set, which is adorable. Item number thing 1 that I need to pack is this set.
Hello everybody, this is my Princess Polly outfit. So today I wanted to tell you a little bit about Princess Polly. Princess Polly has some pretty cute clothes, okay? See, this is just an example of their amazingness, okay? It's so adorable, and I'm so excited to wear this for dinner as dressed up, and then you can wear as a cover-up with whatever bathing suit you want.
Okay, I'm so mad at myself right now because I should have ordered one of these bathing suits. I got the orange one, and it's adorable, and I really love the material, and it's like not see-through or anything. And I did not realize that they had all these other adorable bathing suits. Like, what the heck? I'm gonna have to order some of these.
This is really cute. Okay, Princess Polly is good, and it tastes it's really soft. Wrong sensory, what is that called? Whatever. Come on. Where are they going? Oh, we're running. We're running. Where am I going?
Oh yeah, I got this. It's shorts and a shirt. Oh, this will be really cute. The Chloe set in beige. And then, oh, I love this color. This yellow little dress. That's adorable. Yeah, I really need to pack, so I'm glad that I have like a bunch of spring stuff like right here that I don't need to think about because it's all cute. Oh, and I got this set. It's like the black one, but it's yellow and it ties. This material is like cozy. It's so cozy. And then this, I'm really excited about. Surfing day night. And another thing, and it's cute. And then I got some sunglasses. And then, oh yeah, this is so cute. This green strapless dress is adorable. And then, oh, I love this t-shirt. This little baby tee. It's so cute. It's a really hard decision, but I think this t-shirt is my favorite thing that I got. And since it's spring break, I had to get a bathing suit. And I have the perfect orange bathing suit. Then, this is the thing I'm most excited about. These clips, I'm so excited about these. I'm pretty sure I'm most excited about these clips, so I've literally worn them like every single day with every single outfit. All my Princess Polly's outfits match them. They're so cute.
Hello, again. I'm back talking about Princess Polly because we'll tap on it. Okay, this is the set that I like the most, I think. I like the yellow one, but this is pretty good. And I just took some pictures in it. Pictures. If you want to look really cute in your pictures, you should get some stuff from Princess Polly. Why am I talking like this? Anyways, yeah. Being real, I like it. It's pretty good. So I totally recommend shopping from Princess Polly. It's my second time ordering from them. I like them. I forgot to mention how I literally placed my order. I think I placed my order Saturday and it got there Monday. So basically if I ordered it on Monday, it would get there like... It was super fast shipping. They have a bunch of different looks and stuff too, like everything. So, Princess Polly for the win. A+. Alright, now that you're all up to date on my Princess Polly haul, let's go back to the regular scheduled programming of packing and preparing for spring break. So, I just worked out and today is Monday. 2 days, so I have today, tomorrow, and then we leave Wednesday to go to Florida. You know what I mean. Anyway, I'm gonna go get my nails done. Next. Actually, the window, it's cold outside. Alright, I'm gonna go to the nail salon. Are you done or are you you're not done yet? Oh, beautiful.
Okay, so I just got back from getting my nails done. Here they are in actually good lighting and good camera. They are very short, but I like to play guitar, and I don't like how it feels to type when you have nails. They're so short that you can see the skin and it's fine. Anyways, I need to pack really bad. Yeah, I need to like do that like right now. I need a suitcase. I think, I don't know where they are. I think, should be one downstairs. I found a suitcase. Oops. So, I don't even know. Usually I have like a packing list and everything written out, but I don't. So that's kind of a problem, but that's okay. I just need to pack everything, I guess, right? Ow. I need to pack my Princess Polly stuff. So, insert Princess Polly haul here. No. So I made a list of everything that I need. What is happening here? What is that? Here's my list of everything I need to pack. The only thing I got is all my Princess Polly stuff. So I'm gonna pack all of that. Whoa, I'm just gonna start packing. Okay, here's all I got so far. So I always end up packing way too many bathing suits, and I ordered another one that's supposed to come tomorrow. But here we go with all the bathing suits so far. So I have this one, and then this one that I thought could go with one of this maybe. Okay, so Wednesday. I just got these new shorts from the store. I'm just gonna pack 2 pairs of shorts. These ones and these ones. I'm not even there very long. Like, why am I packing this much stuff? Casual wear. I kind of feel like a weird, like, endangered species of bird. Yeah, like, keep its shape. So I got my workout clothes and then all my other clothes. So, I know, if they made the school actually.
So it is the next day, and yes, I'm wearing the same exact outfit that I was wearing yesterday, but it's clean, I promise. But here I am packing more. But this is the new Monday swimsuit that I got, but I'm not actually going to bring it. I'm going to bring it to Mexico. And that's all my clothes packed, so that's cool.
Guys, I totally forgot that I have a whole bunch of summer stuff up here. Like, I just completely forgot about this. So now I have a dilemma. So I just got rid of some things. I'm gonna add some things. Usually my suitcase is 49 pounds. So I just took a bath and shaved my legs, and then I put on my self-tanner. I've been using this kind. I really like it. This is my original favorite. Loving Tan. I might put this on tomorrow morning. If this isn't dark enough, I might put this on.
Then I painted my toenails with this really good, totally amazing toenail polish, or gel polish that's so new and clean.
I'm Batman.
Getting ready to, wait. Getting ready to go, guys. Okay, now I'm finishing my packing. You think it's 50 pounds?
I think it's gonna be real close.
Oh gosh.
I was 220.
270.
Oh, that's perfect.
What is that 40 pounds? Wait, 23.
3, so it would be 50 would be 73, 273.
Oh gosh. I told you! I am now ready to go with my ginormous backpack.
Oh gosh. Yeah. I'm so cute now. At least Nanny, she'd be down there still. That would be really. Wait. I'm at the car seat store today. I'm going to get a car seat so that I can sit in the car and be in a seat safely. I think I want that one. What car seat are you gonna get?
Probably that one because it's the smallest one. It's the only one that'll fit me.
Bring these in!